All right, you can see my dashboard here now. So you can see that I have surveys to answer. This one, how easy or hard is this product to open? You understand? When I open this, there is 7 questions here, and I'm going to be receiving the pay for the 7 of them. So see this one now. Answer some questions. So now here, I'm going to answer this question. We've got 17 surveys waiting for you. You see that? So I'm going to answer these questions here now. I'll click on it and answer. This will determine if they are going to give me the video survey or not. Hold on, my network is a bit slow. Okay, there is an issue. Next survey. Okay, how old are you? You can choose anything from here. Depending on the age you use in registering. Do you understand? How old are your children? Select an option that applies. Okay, so let's go with this and this. Okay, next. How do you feel about the idea of children aged over 7 years old having bubble gum or chewing gum? Over 7 years. Over 7 years. Yes, no problem. Are there any of these brands of bubble gum, chewing gum, or mints that you would never buy for yourself? You can see the direction this survey is going is bubble gum, right? So now we have to start answering that we love bubble gum or we eat bubble gum. Do you understand? So that we don't miss the survey. All right, let's go. Are there any of these brands of bubble gum, chewing gum, or mints that you would never buy for yourself or others? All right, so this is a trap. I don't know the one. So let's choose none of the above. All right, now this one of 0 point. This is a UK account. That is why you're seeing 0 points, right? If it's US, it's supposed to be $1. Do you understand? Okay, now so this one, how do you stay focused when this is more like a daily pool? Do you understand? It's more like a daily pool. When you click on it, it will open up for you to answer your question. All right, let me start with this one that I have 7 questions to answer. Okay, how easy or hard is this product to open? Open the product on camera. Tell us what makes it easy to open. What makes it hard to open? Does this have any impact on how you feel about the product? All right. First of all is introduction. We have a message we would like you to see before answering the question. So now you're going to click on this introduction, right? So this is just the question I got this morning. It's not that this is what they will be asking you. If you get this survey, then fine. Please visit your local grocery store and purchase Old El Paso's taco kits. Okay, once you have purchased the product, head back home and start your video survey. You'll be required to show the product in the video survey, so please ensure you have purchased the correct product. If you do not purchase the correct product, you will not be incentivized. If you cannot find the product in the store, please hold off on starting the video survey and reach out to us before proceeding. All right, guys, I'm in Nigeria. I can't get this product they want me to buy. Old El Paso's taco kits. I can't get this product, and it requires for me to do this survey with the product, opening the product. So guys, they don't catch me for this one. Let me go back. I will not be taking this survey. You know why they gave me this survey? It was because from the previous there's a previous question I was asked. They asked if I can go to a supermarket in the States and get a product and open for them. I agreed because I don't want them to have an idea that I am not in the country. Do you understand? Okay, so now let me answer more questions here. This survey will be there until I go and get the product, isn't it? Let me answer more questions from here and see if I'm going to be getting a new survey. All right, which of the following best describe your current professional role? Okay, I'm going to be choosing the first one. I'll go with the first one. All right, which of the following industry are you currently working in? Oh, let's go with financial services. I love to go with financial services. Okay, let's go. You can also go with healthcare. Your response may be used in a short video about the benefit of market research. Are you happy for your video to be included? Yes, I am happy for my video to be used. All right, next. Okay. For completing the survey, you may be eligible for new question. All right. So, like I said earlier, completing the survey questions will make you eligible for the video survey. Do you understand now? So, if you're considered as part of the demographic they need for the survey, then the video survey will do what? Will appear on your dashboard for you to answer. All right. How old are you? I normally do use between 30 to 44. Okay, let's go. Make sure you always answer what you've answered before. Be consistent with your answer. Don't keep changing your answers. In that way, they will know that you are lying. Be consistent. Okay. All right, we've answered this before. How do you feel about the idea of children aged over 7 years old having bubble gum or chewing gum? So I chose yes, no problem. All right, this one is asking if there is a company I wouldn't want to buy for myself or others. So I used none of the above previously. So let's see. Oh, there's none of the above anymore. They want us to check at least one item. All right, so what do we do? Let's choose something. Let's choose Airwave or Trident. Next. Okay, finish. All right, so let's go. We have a survey now. You can see that from my dashboard. I don't know. I've told you guys this thing before. This 0.63 is equivalent to the $1 if you're using a US account. A US account will give you $1 each. You understand? This is a UK account. Okay, why do you take part in market research and what are the benefits for you? All right, so we're going to answer this right now. I'm going to tap on it and here it is. Tell us what motivates you to participate in research, whether that's staying ahead of trends, shaping products, personal, professional development, or something else. What do you personally get out of it? Do you understand? So now they want me to take, we have a short survey we would like you to complete before recording your response. We're going to take the short survey now, and then we'll record the response. It's just a minute. Okay. All right. How often, this is the short survey they want us to participate in. How often do you personally commission or participate in research? All right. Let's say several times a year, because as you can see, the survey is about research, isn't it? So if you say never, it means you're not even eligible. You're not even qualified to take the survey. So let's go with this first one I chose. Which best describe your relationship with market research? I have no direct involvement in research. I commission or buy research. I use research findings in my work. I conduct or run research. You get that? So now, it's either we choose I conduct or you choose I use research findings in my work. Do you understand? Okay, now let's go with this. All right, now that we've taken the survey, we've responded to the short survey. We would now continue to record our response. Okay, you can see that. You tap on record response. If you can see, oh, sorry, I'm not looking good. Okay, why do you take part in market research and what are the benefits for you? Tell us what motivates you to participate in research, whether that's staying ahead of trends, shaping products, or professional development, or something else. What do you personally get out of it? So I'm going to record this now. Okay, I need to look smart. All right, I'm going to click on the record button and say my mind. Okay. So now you're not just going to say why you enjoy doing market research. You're also going to tell them what is your benefit, what is the need for you. Do you understand? Okay, let's go. I'm going to end. You see, I can't continue with this screen recording because it's using my microphone. You can see I have just recorded my response. You see that? Okay, let me play. Okay, I take part in market research because I enjoy sharing my opinion and knowing that my feedback can influence the product and services the company creates. And also, it also helps me stay informed about new trends and innovation before they become widely available. You get that? And another benefit is that I get the opportunity to earn extra income or reward in my spare time. So overall, it's a win-win. Okay, can you see that? Now, if I don't like my reply, I can click on re-record. You see that? Or I click on upload response. Okay, the record is befitting enough. I'm going to upload it. Do you understand? I'm going to click on the upload response and send it. If they have another video research for me, they will allow me to continue. Do you understand? All right, now let me hit the upload response. Okay, it's uploading my response. Hold on, hold on, hold on. We're almost there. We're almost there. Just give it a little time. Okay, you can see response uploaded successfully. Tell your friend about influence. We won't share your video response. All right, so I'm going to click on complete. You see that I have replied to that. If I go to my history, I have a lot of survey here. As in a day, you can earn up to or more than $10. See, this one is the one of 0.25 is daily pool. See this one now. I have 7 questions here that I have not answered. This one has to do about the product. Okay. Why this one now? Answer some question. I need to answer questions from here. We've got 22 surveys waiting for you. So I need to answer some questions here before I can make get a video survey to answer. All right, let's go to history. Let me show you the one we just answered now. See the one we just answered now. Can you see the date is awaiting review? So before the end of this video, I believe that they must have approved it and given me my money. Look, well, you see that what I have here now is 4.65 pounds. Okay, let us continue with this survey. How old are you? Remember, be consistent with your answers. Be consistent with your answers. Okay. We've done this before. Just watch closely. Which company did I choose then? Was it Trident or Airwave? I can't remember. You see, it's not good to lie. Okay, let's go with this. Next survey. All these are what we call pre-screening question. Yeah. Okay. They'll screen you to find out if you are part of the demographic needed, if you are eligible for the survey. Okay, let's go with none of the above. Next survey. They keep asking me the same thing. They want me to fail. Go work for now. Okay, let's go. After this, we'll go back to check if are there any of these brands of bubblegum chewing gum that you would never buy for yourself. I don't know why they keep asking me this question. Okay, let me click finish and check if there is any. Oh, you can see that there is an increment. Did you see? I told you that they don't reject it. They have paid. You see that? I now have 5.58. 5.28. Go to history. Refresh. You see, it's marked. It has been approved. It is as simple as that. It's as simple. Okay, guys, let me copy Let me copy my link and drop for you guys. Invite friends. Okay, let me copy and drop for you guys. So you see how simple it is. I still have, okay, I need to do this one. How do you stay focused? I normally do it, but I would love to finish other important survey that has money before I will come to the daily pool. I was like, okay, so guys, this is just it. This is all about influence survey. It's as simple. A lot of people have been asking me question, how do you do it? Can you use two phones? Can you use a laptop? You have to, if your laptop can't record you, if your laptop don't have a webcam, you don't need to use your laptop. Use your phone to do the survey, because you can't send your video to your laptop and continue from there. You have to record yourself from the website as they ask you the question. You're using their camera to answer. Do you understand? So get prepared, ready yourself. As you're answering the survey, they are giving you the video response. You don't do it in two phones, because most of you ask me if you can do it with two phones. You don't do it with two phones, just one phone. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the comment section. I'm ready and available to answer you, because why not?